Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Nasir and Fatma, and today I am going to talk about three very important and interrelated concepts in measurements, which are least count, significant figures, and the associated uncertainty in a single measurement. Now, in a future video, I will talk about the assessment of uncertainty and significant figures in the final result, but today I am just going to talk about how you assess the uncertainty, significant figures, and what is the meaning of least count in one single measurement. Now, these concepts are very important when you are going to go in your labs and are going to do the experiments, but even in your theory, when you are going to do the exams, go to the exams, these concepts are really going to help you in solve your questions. Now let's talk about least count first of all. I will start with the definition. Now least count is the resolution, or in other words the least measurement that you can take or make with your measuring device. It can be in the form of the least number of calibrations in terms of, for example, meter rod, or the number of divisions in any digital multimeter or voltmeter. I will explain this. So let's take the example of a meter rod first. A meter rod is a device with which you can measure any kind of length, and it has a maximum capability of 100 centimeters, as I have drawn here. This is a meter rod starting at 0 centimeter and going up to 100 centimeters. Now let's say that you are told that the least count of this meter rod is 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeter. LC least count. Now what does that mean? For your ease, I have expanded or zoomed in for this region of 0 centimeter to 1 centimeter, and you can see that there are small calibrated lines in here. So when we zoom in, I can see that from 0 centimeter to 1 centimeter, I have actually a total of 10 divisions, like 1, 2, 3, 4, up to so on, up to 10 divisions between 0 centimeter and 1 centimeter. It means that the least measurement that I can make with this device is 0.1 centimeter, or in other words, 1/10 of a centimeter. It is also equivalent to 1 millimeter. So the least count of your meter rod is 1 millimeter. Now let's talk about another example of a voltmeter. Now let's say that you are going to measure the voltage across a component, for example a resistor, using a voltmeter, and it shows you a reading like this. Let's say 35 volt. Now in this case, least count is defined in terms of divisions, and the least division that you can measure here comes in hundredth of a volt. The least measurement that you can make with this device would be 0.01 volt. So for this device, the least count is 0.01 volt, or 100th of a volt. I hope that this concept of least count is very clear now. Now let's move to the next concept, that is of significant figures. I will explain the concept of significant figures using an example, because I hope that it will help you more in understanding this concept. Now let's say I am taking the example of a meter rod again. And let's say that you are going to measure the length of a line using this meter rod. And it starts from 0 centimeter, and your line is ended at somewhere between 10 and 11 centimeter. Now in order to see where it is, I have zoomed in again. Now I have zoomed in this line, and we can see that the line is coming somewhere here. It is ending here. And if I draw this, it is somewhere between 10.5 centimeter and 10.6 centimeter. Now I do not have any more calibration than going below point or beyond 0.1 centimeter. So how am I going to decide what is going to be my measurement? And here is a simple rule. You see that if the line is closer to 10.5 centimeter, you say that the length of the line is 10.5 centimeter. And if it is closer to 10.6 centimeter, then you say that your measurement is going to be 10.6 centimeter. Now, in this case, since I drew the line 10.5 centimeter, I will say that the length of this line is 10.5 centimeter. Now one thing that you are sure about in this measurement is that the line is more than 10 centimeter. That is indisputable. But what you are not sure about is whether the line was exactly 10.5 or 10.6 centimeter. So the 0.5 centimeter, this digit right here is your first doubtful digit. And here comes the definition of significant figures. It is, in any measurement, the number of significant figures is the number of the digits that you are perfectly sure about and the first doubtful digit, which in this case is 5. And the total number of significant figures is 1, 2, 3 significant figures. Now, there are a lot of rules governing the calculation or telling the number of significant figures, which I will be covering in my next video. In today's video, my purpose was just to let you understand the concept, what is actually significant figures. And I hope that this concept of significant figures is also clear now in your head along with the concept of least count. So let's move to the concept of uncertainty. Now let's talk about the concept of uncertainty, and for this I will use the same example that I used for explaining significant figures. That for example you are measuring the length of a line using a meter rod and the length is 10.5 centimeter as we calculated in the previous concept of significant figures. But in this case, based on that concept, you know that the length is 10.5 centimeter if it is halfway behind 10.5 or halfway ahead of 10.5 centimeters. These dotted lines are not a part of your meter rod, but I am drawing them to clear the concept. Now this point is 10.45 centimeter and this conceptual point that I have drawn is 10.55 centimeter. Now your measurement is actually 10.5 centimeters plus or minus 0.05 centimeters. And again, this concept is coming from the concept of significant figures, that our measurement was 10.5 centimeter only if it was halfway ahead of or halfway behind 10.5 centimeters. So this term right here, 0.05 centimeter, is your uncertainty. And the last thing that you need to remember is that the uncertainty in any measurement of a measuring device actually equals its least count. You might say how? Let's see. If you see that the distance from here to here, if you subtract 10.55 from 10.45, you actually get 0.1 centimeter. And you can also see that the plus and minus 0.05 centimeter uncertainty makes a total uncertainty of 0.1 centimeter, which is actually equal to the least count of the meter rod. I hope that these concepts are clear for you now. In the next video, I will talk more on significant figures and uncertainty. I will actually talk about the assessment of significant figures and uncertainty in your total result. If you have any questions regarding these concepts, please comment below and I would love to answer them. And if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and help them out as well. So see you in next video. Bye bye.